Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Lee and I'm with Golden Canopy Health Management. And we ensure your health, life, and retirement. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Medicare, what it is, who can use it, and why it's important for you as you're coming to that age, or if you fall in that category of people who are eligible for Medicare. So first, I'd like to talk about who is eligible for Medicare. So anyone who is on disability, who has been disabled for over 24 months, is eligible for Medicare, regardless of their age. And of course, anyone who is 65 or older is also eligible for Medicare. So I don't want to just paint this picture that Medicare is exclusively for people who are 65 or older, who are retiring. It does include individuals who are disabled as well. Um, so, Medicare was initiated in the United States in 1965 for the purpose of providing health care for adults turning 65 and retiring. The government wanted to provide a system so where people who are no longer working or who have diminished their income capacity can still get quality health care through the Medicare program. So that's why Medicare initially was established and set up. Now, I understand Medicare is extremely complicated and it is pretty daunting to find a plan that works best for you. What are your options? Because Medicare has Part A, it has Part B, Part C, Part D. You also have MediSup. So it's a very confusing, complicated process. And my goal is to make that process easy for you to understand, easy for you to make a decision that best fits your needs, your wants, and your desires, and cover the cost and what it actually will do for you. So, if you guys have any questions, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me through the Golden Canopy Health Management Group channel. Please hit subscribe. Please hit like. That way, I can keep creating more video content so that we all can be informed together. Now, how do you get Medicare? Who's eligible for it? One of the things is in the US, you have to first be a US citizen to qualify for Medicare, or you can be a US resident. You can also qualify for Medicare, or you're an alien. You can also qualify for Medicare. Assuming that you've worked over 10 years, that you've contributed to taxes, if you meet all those requirements, you meet all those standards, when you turn 65, or if you become disabled, you would be eligible to receive Medicare. And when it comes to Medicare, what I've experienced in my years of helping and working with seniors about Medicare, most seniors fall under two categories. It's either one, they pick a plan that doesn't fit their needs, and then they end up paying more when they need to go to the hospital with high copays, or two, they don't sign up with Medicare at all. Now, what the implications are for not signing up with Medicare when you turn 65 are that if you were to miss the deadline on your 65th birthday, let's say you sign up when you're 67, you would be fined 1% for each month that you weren't on Medicare. And that penalty is you'll pay that for the rest of your life. So I want to avoid the complication, the confusion, the frustration of either signing up with any old plan or not signing up at all. My mother, who was a nurse for many, many years, who worked in the hospital, who's familiar with the healthcare system, even she had a bit of an issue enrolling with Medicare. It took my sister and I both to put our heads together to come up with a plan to figure it out, which is why I initially started this YouTube channel. I don't want anyone to go through the frustration and anger and disappointment that my mother had to go through. And she chose not to sign up with Medicare. And now she's paying a penalty for life because she didn't sign up at 65. So I want to avoid that. I want to make sure that you guys are signing up when you're supposed to, getting all the information that you need, and you have an informed person that you can reach out to, someone you can trust. And please reach out to me at Golden Canopy Health Management Group. You can also write comments. You can like the button, subscribe to the button, so that way I can keep creating content for you. My goal is to create content where it's easy for you to digest, easy for you to understand, and not make it as complicated as Medicare is. My name is Kevin Lee. Please reach out. Please ask questions. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.